What's good, y'all? Quick update right here. Number 3 for me. It's a small one, but like all of us this year, I got freaking knocked over the head. But for the first time that I was able to get in tune with like some decent stuff right here. So I'm geeked up. You know? But yeah, man, I want to get more, but these prices is pretty wild this year. I know a lot of us know. I hope all you guys are making the best of it, man, getting what you want. But even though I got smoked, I'm happy with what I got, especially these. So, alright, boys, everybody take care.